This is VIVO V15 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the RAM and storage space category. Onwards, go for the, storage. And right over here at the phone storage section, you can check how much of the device memory you have in total. That is 128 gigabytes in my case. How much of it is currently occupied or used. Thus, you can also make a conclusion how much storage you have left and see what exactly occupies your storage. How much of it is occupied by apps and data, how much of it is used by files, system, firmware, whatever. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.